barbecue pulled pork.
Not your typical sounds at the playground, unless your playground is on the county fairgrounds.
Why a playground at a fairgrounds? Because this is the center of this town, and our fairgrounds host a lot of different events throughout the year. So even though the fair only runs 1 week, we have several different events throughout the year, as well as the townspeople driving through here, and it's a good, safe place for them to play.
AAA State of Play installed this Crusin the Caspian structure just in time for the annual county fair in White County, Indiana. It's a classic county fair celebrating all things agriculture. The playground is the centerpiece of a new fair feature, the Clover Patch, which has a kid's eye view of life on the farm.
It started with the playground. We got the playground installed, and then we basically built forward with it. We put in a path to go around the playground so that everyone can get to that. And then we just added in the huge sandbox and a water feature and a trike track, and that basically stretched out our young McDonald's area where we have a whole bunch of little baby animals.
Everything down on the farm is here, only kid-sized, a babbling brook, and that sandbox is in a miniature grain silo. Everything on the farm except for maybe this playground. It has a bushel basket of features, 5 slides, a tube bridge, music making, spiral climber, and overhead climbers and swinging rings. Farming, fair, and fun, perfect for kids and adults.
So they can mix it up a little. The parents have a nice place to rest while they do watch their kids play. And it's safe. Oh my goodness, it's been an absolute hit with the fair. They love it.
Playground in the park, the school, even the fairground. It's really something to crow about.